goodies? It's 12 o'clock now. It's Monday. Me and B were done packing everything already. If you guys can tell from the title, you know, we are got my hotel, my resort, you know, little vacation. Me and B and my auntie and her man, you know, nice little getaway, you know, because you know we always come to Jamaica as Jamaicans. You and I, like, you know, we never come as tourists, you know, get the experience, like, you know, all inclusive, swim up pool bar and just, you know, yeah. So we got a nice part of Jamaica while like white people them go or whatever. So right now me and B we're on our way to Linstead. I need to get these nails done because good can go to resorts and our nails them look good, you know.
Yeah, shop.
So that we are gonna do. Yeah. B are gonna drop me off and then he's gonna plan on getting like a shave and, you know, clean up his face or whatever. My aunt, last time I heard from her, she's still there by yard. I guess she did cook stew peas or whatever. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. If we're gonna meet up with them, meet there, or we're gonna drive one car. I don't know how that's gonna go. And yeah, me put on, face look good as usual. Guys, guess what? Me open my big makeup train case, right? Come to find out, me put not a beauty blender in there, and I don't like that because me like the patty me makeup and beat it. So I don't know, I feel like it kind of looks streaky, but from afar my makeup look good. So I'm gonna have to stop on the road and try and find one beauty sponge. And yeah. Alright guys, so we did call a girl who I didn't want to do my nails and I listed. Obviously, you know, it's like a first come first serve basis. She said she have 2 gals before, like, that she had to know, and then I would have been next. But like, it's almost going on 1 o'clock now. I know Jamaican girls can take their time for your nails because then they use like a e-file or whatever. I like a hand file and then shape and shape. So I couldn't wait. We can't sit down so long, like 1, 2 or 3 hours. No. So I'm gonna come my bag walk and this girl who did my nails before me go to see if she was open. Her shop closed, and then B come country. There was a girl who did my nails too that in a barber shop, but she did a year. She did came on, so now I'm stuck and I don't know what to do. Like my nails and just look so bare. Y'all can't go to a hotel and their nails done, so I don't know. So I'm gonna know if I should just go on with it like this. Because really, I'm only like, I would not only do my nails just for Jamaica. Because like when I go up, I can't really work in it like that. So I just, while I'm out here, my nails will be for. So yeah. Oh, and guys, I ran a fall. I don't like that for me. I really don't. I don't look like all this rain. And all this rain, I have on slippers, foot I got nasty up and wet up and mud up. You can't manage that. Can't do it. Alright guys, so my nails are finished. These are what I did. We come at almost 4 o'clock now. We come wait for my aunt. I guess we decided to say we're all gonna drive together. This gal named Ready or nothing there. She come, she'll walk now. This damn gal, damn breadfruit, William, Kian has sitting. One ratted the big suitcase she carried to treat the hotel. I'm gonna say B, make we pack me hand luggage and a duffel bag. B said no, we don't need that. So we just packed my hand luggage and feet book bag. And that's it. Oh boy. Anyways. So we are gonna leave now, hopefully, because we cannot spend so much money and you know, did it on time. I went to go do my nails or whatever, and the girl was like, oh no, should I did it from morning? I go and name out and drink out the people that sitting and wait on the room and stuff. But at 4 o'clock now. I'm still have to stop going instead. But anyways, yeah, I that would happen. No. Check in with my auntie.
Work hard, pay harder.
luxury Bahia Principe.
Hey,
And here's the...
we're living a little.
Who's calling me already? I Felisa calling. Hello? Nuh-uh. I was calling you to see if Annika did their work. But we did get to her. Alright, so we just checked in. I know we're on our way to our rooms. And we're being escorted by our butler. The lady asked us if we want to upgrade to an ocean room. B, tell her what you said about upgrade.
Don't upgrade and put beside that kitchen.
And we got our complimentary little welcome cocktails. It was nice. So yeah, I have to vlog, alright? Shit. Guys, when you spend on no straw hat, then there's a goodly deer. Look at outside. Very nice. Guys, we're reaching a room, right? I said, B, come on video. B said, video me bum. Be ready like Freddy. B, turn on all these lights so I can give them a tour of the room. Oh, this, no? I want to make a light there. Huh? Alright, anyway, guys, so when you first walk in, so what you see, we have closets here. Yeah. In the bathroom. Some here. Yeah. Nice little tub with seat. Towels up here. Where my toilet there? Right, B, a toilet there by itself, so you can't shit in a piece. And then nice walk-in shower. Then we come out. We have a nice mirror. Good, we can look on ourselves and take pictures. B, there's no light in here?
I don't see anything.
And then here's the bed. King size bed with the, what is it, canopy or whatever. And then here we have a dresser with a mirror again. B, we want some light in here so they can get the real experience. Oh, this, yes sir? B, electrician, come here now. Oh, this not turned on. And then yes, so we have a nice little sitting area. Here we can do my makeup, put on my makeup there, so that's it. And we have a balcony, box cover. Oh, Tessa hot. Whoo, I want that. That's it. And then here's the balcony. Nice. A problem for me and be later. Hey. Whoa. Nice. And the seaside over there, so nice. Alright guys, so we're here at the buffet and we're eating our food. I got a salad and some oxtail and shrimp. And see everybody there eat. Yeah. Alright guys, so we made it back into the room. We came, we checked in, we dropped off our bags. I showed you guys the room tour, and then it's a lot of walking. We went to go have dinner at the buffet. You know, the food was okay. Oxtail did kind of tough, but you know. And then we went down to like the beach side. They were playing like a little bit of music and stuff. We was there for like about 20 minutes, had something to drink, and then did I get hot on time, and then I decided to just like call it a night. So now we're back in the room. We're gonna cool off and shower and then just relax, be rest at night, and then wake up in the morning and start our day, go to the pool and really explore this hotel, you know? So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Bye. Alright guys, we get some room service. They have like toast, assorted fruit and pastries and orange juice. But I want to go down I wanted to go down buffet or something. That B was like, no, we could get room for service first and then go down and stuff, because B said for your money you want every type of service and stuff. So yeah, my aunt just called me and said they're down there already. I should go dip in a hot tub and stuff. But we just want to make one go and go. Because we want to put down the pool stuff and things like that. So I'm just going to eat some of this and then I don't know what we're going to do after that. So guys, we come down to this restaurant called La Olas and we're having breakfast or whatever. I could have put on my bathing suit, but I thought I could wear my bathing suit here, so now I have to go back up and go change. But this is what I'm having: hash brown and waffles and sausage.
We have in American food in Jamaica. Why not try something different?
Alright guys, so I put on my bath suit now for where we're going to pool. We just had breakfast. If I didn't know, said the breakfast pot was like open, like outside, we would have this on already. See how me look? Versace slides. Babes is making me mad. I told him to put on his, but he talking about no, you're not putting it on. He just like really pissing me off. B, why you don't want to wear your slides?
I'm ready for my slides.
B, and not tell the people that good morning. And tell them how was your experience so far. Talk now?
Great.
B, talking at your camera.
Experience great. Oh, I'm finna say camera upon maybe. Good morning, guys. The experience is great here. I think you guys need to come.
B, tell them what you do for morning.
I'm from morning, and I do nothing for morning. Did you? We don't do nothing for morning. Tell them that.
They can't hear you say it. This is freaking boring. Chuck. Stop it. Alright guys, good I got a pool and good I got look one nice rich white man. So yeah. Here's my first pool outfit. You know, bathing suit from Shein. Slides are Versace. So here.
Here from Linstead.
My glasses, I bought them from a girl, so yeah. Alright guys, so we're at the bar. I'm gonna get this. Look, I'm tell them to give me something colorful and nice slushy, so that's what I'm doing. Hey guys, we're there at beach side. A nice little beach area. So we're here at the bar. Where I drink, bum? Where I drink? Strawberry daiquiri and coconut rum. Where I drink?
Sex on the beach.
Oh, it is.
Wonderful girl drink.
Strong. And I ordered a Bob Marley drink, so I'm just waiting on that now. And I'm gonna go in the pool. Alright, we're at the same place where we was at for breakfast, having lunch now. I got nachos and jerk pork and pineapple orange juice. You tired, Boom?
I'm just full looking at the food.
You're full looking at the food.
This way,
Alright guys, so we're at this restaurant where you have to make reservations called Takara. See me man there. This is like an Asian style restaurant. So yeah. I got udon pasta chicken with vegetables. I can't take these people anywhere, I swear.
Right and left and right foot, left foot, red foot, red foot, turn around.
Just so embarrassing, I swear.
What are you doing?
And he's attacking.
And so we just came from the restaurant, the Asian restaurant called Takara. The food wasn't really all that. I really didn't enjoy it. But you know, so you go. You're not gonna get like all the best food. But yeah, and then we just walked around the property. We went outside the car to look for something. B couldn't find the bag that he put all his underwear and rags in. So earlier we had to use the hotel rags. So now we were looking for more underwear for B. We can't find it. I'm gonna search through my suitcase again. Good. Because I don't know where they're at. They're not in the trunk. They're not on the ground of the car. Yeah. So we don't know if we left it like on the bed at the house or what. But yeah, today was a really nice day. You know, the pool was great. The drinks were amazing. The vibes were just nice. We played volleyball in the pool with some other guests. You know, it was just a good vibes. I really enjoyed myself. I can't wait to see what we do tomorrow. If we're gonna go in the pool. I know my aunt was talking about doing like dirt bikes and stuff. I don't know if she's still gonna like go through with that. But if we do, then you know I would definitely show you guys. So I'm about to take off my makeup and I'll call it a night. I'm trying this new, it's like this glitter glue. It's from Mama Cita's Cosmetics, and all you do is you just like take it off in one go. So I'm gonna try to take it off and then see if it really works or not. So you just, I'm like peeling it off in the middle, and then oh whoa guys, look, it just come off just nicer. And that is so good, because usually when I put on glitter, like I use either eyelash glue or the NYX glitter glue, it's so hard to get off. Glitter be everywhere. But like, look, this is just in one go, and there's just like a little residue left, so it's not like nothing major, you know. So yeah, yeah guys, so I'm just gonna call it a night here, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. All right guys, we did go for our ATV riding, but it was closed. They closed at 3 o'clock, so we couldn't buy that go. So no, we come back at a hotel. Be nobody can see you. We come back at a hotel now. What? Yeah, now we're ready to go. We come back at a hotel now, so we're just gonna go in the pool. I almost like 4 o'clock now, so we're gonna go put on a swimsuit, go in the pool, drink, and then come back up and bathe and get ready. We have reservations for dinner tonight at 9 o'clock. But the name dinner, like the restaurant, I see one where we go to like for the buffet in morning, which is weird. But I mean, I guess for dinner they don't do buffet, it's like a restaurant or whatever. So that's where we're going tonight. So yeah, we're out having breakfast. What is wrong with you? What about this fucking girl? Alright guys, so we just had breakfast. I know we're here sitting by the poolside, getting some breeze. It's the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey, we at the poolside living our best life. Hey.
They don't want to go to the pool today, so I don't know what we want to do. My aunt wants to ride horses and do ATV. B just wants to stay at the hotel. I don't know what we're gonna do. B, y'all say morning to people up?
Me tell them man already.
B, you have to talk to them. Talk.
Alright, good after morning. Cause me say good morning already, so I must after morning. Huh?
B.
Yeah.
Talk to them. Say how was your breakfast and what you
Breakfast
do?
never nice.
Why wasn't it nice?
I don't enjoy breakfast. Girl, give me one bitter coffee. It's salfish, it's salt.
I thought you said saltfish, they have no salt.
What else me eat again? What else me eat?
Let me tell you, food
Bacon,
really nice
bacon dry out.
let me tell you,
Bacon
your
dry
food not
out.
enticing because it's too much. And when you see too much food, your belly automatically
No, bacon
becomes
they over
full.
fried and dry.
I don't know, I didn't enjoy nothing. Because it's been a long time I don't eat to full my belly. So now as me eat, me feel like no I'm vomit.
The best part up here
The best part though is the pool, the relaxation.
No, pool on the best
Everything
part.
else is okay, but
My best experience can't share upon the food.
What you said, B?
My best experience can't share upon
You have to talk loud and make them hear.
Oh, me if you talk loud, me I talk louder than you right now. So what?
He
You
said
not hear me?
his best experience cannot share on the vlog.
why can't it share on the vlog?
So nice music.
Tell you, my best experience is at home in my house that I built with me and my husband. But we have to come
I'm
here.
gonna play the husband.
Never let us. Leave me husband alone.
So they playing Connect 4. This one who the drink. All I drinks them.
Hey, we only live once.
We have Juliet, a very nice bartender.
Freaky bartender. But me and Karen are one tonight.
Be sure the tight jazz.
Tight dress.
Yeah.
Tight jazz, what is that?
Tight jazz.
Tight jazz.
Tight jazz. When you Sherry.
Juliet, you know you're on the block, so we are carrying home tonight. We're up on the block, so we are carrying home tonight.
We wear color. Like we should have a cool look. What's that? Appleton? No? Amaretto.
Hey, you're pretty good.
But the dead no. They will give them more than
We like Juliet.
get that.
Supervisor here.
Why you get mad at rich man? You get somebody on here, you get no more.
Play like a piano. I'll be a pianist too. What?
Ooh, the funny cup.
I'll be a pianist.
Look, funny cup. Look at that. Look at. Tell me what it is. Nice. All right. Guys, be a make fun of me to boss and me not like water.
Yeah, I like Golden Spring.
You like what?
Golden Spring.
A Poland spring water, be.
Whichever spring.
Poland spring. Guys, we're gonna go on the road and go horseback riding or do some type of excursion. But we said we are go full with belly first because when I buy nothing on the road, you can't pay so much money to all inclusive and they might give you the food. They care if it not taste like that. But I go eat it.
Careful, go with the people.
Oh, that was nice, no?
You get too big container.
No, Papa B, thank you. No,
Boom, you on the video, we can't post that. Nancy said she wants her next partner for the night. So we're gonna go walk to the buffet, no? So they have breakfast now. Lunch. We just get some pasta business and corn. I'm going to fill up our sitting at shrimp. Oh, shrimp taste good. It's nice and full of season. Good. It's nice, B? Huh? You get roach. Tell me what your roach tastes. B, tell me what your roach tastes, no? Tell me what your roach tastes. B, how your roach tastes? How your roach tastes?
Robin is working on it right now. Robin is the gentleman.
Alright guys, so we're at dinner now at Radicio, and I guess like the waiter, it's like a whole lot of meats and they shave it off in front of you and stuff, and this is the side that they brought some vegetable.
Broccoli, very nice broccoli.
Vegetable don't cut no down.
With some very good tomatoes, and the corn is so wonderful. Nice corn.
You're nice.
So we're gonna see what this meat is all about. This is the only restaurant that they had available. The restaurant I really wanted to go to was hard to get into, they say, which is called the Knife. So yeah.
I say one thing. No.
Willie Bob? There look pretty people there. Alright guys, so we just finished dinner. It was okay. Then they were having like a little dance little thing with all the guests. We watched that for like about 10 minutes and now we're gonna leave now to go. Me and look, we're sitting there go choo 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 choo. Me, I feel like guys because like been very 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 afraid of bugs and stuff. So anyways, we're gonna go look at I wanna, guys, you see how close B come, like it want to hit me. Oh, we're gonna go look at a little club to go to end our night because tonight is our last night here. So yeah. All right guys, so we did go to like one little club like down on Bahia called Sailors or whatever, but like first off, the location, my aunt, she's very afraid, so she said it kind of looks sketchy or whatever, and plus there was only like 6 vehicles in the parking lot, so she was like no, she's not about to going there or whatever. So we just decided to turn back and come to the hotel. So that's what we did. Came in, we took a quick wash off. And then B was looking for his phone, and his phone wasn't in my bag or in his pants pocket. So he just went downstairs to go look and see if it's outside in the car. He asked me to follow him, but I was like, no, because like I'm really tired. So yeah, I'm just in here now, laying down, ready to go to bed. I'm gonna go wait upon B first to see if he finds his phone. And yeah, so that's it. Tonight is our last night, so I'm gonna try to make the best of it. You know, I really enjoyed my stay so far. You know, I mean it's practically over, so I guess I could just say I enjoyed my stay. But you know, I still have the morning. Checkout is not until 12 p.m. So I'm still have like a good local time. So yeah, good night guys, and I'll see you in the morning. All right guys, good morning. So it is our last day here. I mean, I guess the day already done. We're checking out today. It's like 8:30 now, so we just got up, brushed our teeth and everything, put on our swimsuits. We're gonna go down, have breakfast one last time, and then we're just gonna go in the pool for like 30 minutes or an hour or so, and come back up, bathe, and then get ready to check out and leave. So yes, here's the bathing suit. Okay, here's the bathing suit that I put on. I'm gonna put on the black cover up I had on yesterday over this in case they say anything. But yes, this. And then we started to pack up our stuff them already. Yeah. B, say good morning to your family. B.
Huh? Morning, guys. What? What?
Talk now.
What? Talk so what? You leave me alone now, man.
We will leave you alone.
Got me, say.
Samora. Talk now.
Mikayla!
What are you
Leave
doing?
me up.
Tell them what you're doing and stuff.
You brush me here.
To do what?
Breakfast.
And then what?
Oh.
Boy, you're boring, buddy now. Be a boring, bud. Huh?
I love it.
I'll bet yes. At that time that you was that boring.
Alright, that's good. I'm gonna find a white before we go.
Talk loud of it in here. You guys, you heard him say, I'm gonna find a whitey before and go up. And dirty drunk, are you? What just happened?
Boom, boom, steer me.
B, what just happened just now? B, what just happened just now? What just happened? Mine not dropping that water before we have breakfast.
Hey, my walk like this.
Actually, she was slippery, that's why.
The job I break up, make a you.
So B, tell them what just happened.
I was trying to push off Shanky in the water, but when we gonna realize they more play me. So it turned, I'm super slidey, so we nearly dropped.
Still can't even walk.
Hey, make it fuck all out.
Go.
Alright, we are here at breakfast. No omelet, bacon, waffles, hash browns.
No, we can get
Guys, we're in the pool, about to go up, and they're over there giving a history lesson about
drew much
Jamaica.
attention to the Buccaneers based in Port Royal.
And we're there here at Cabo, Christopher Columbus always discovered places and stuff. And I give people the real credit.
Rough and ruthless set of sea rovers, and they took over a lot of gold, silver, and jewels.
Please say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Yo. Alright guys, so we just checked out now, and now we're getting our last drink at the bar. As you can see. I just love the lobby and how it's like so open. It looks so nice. Alright guys, Arsenal's jersey from Adidas, Maxi Rider from She, and the Clocks original cup. Alright guys, so sadly we checked out. These past 2 days were really, really nice. At the end, I mean, I guess I could just tell you guys my my views on it now. The food, the American food, I think they do better than the Jamaican food, I can say, but obviously they're catering towards American people, not Jamaican people. And plus I can cook, so I'm very, very picky. Some people might say food tastes good, but no, the food can do some work, you know. Customer service was excellent. The people that are full of vibes. They make sure you they make sure you're taken care of and that like you have a nice experience, and you know, so the facility itself, beautiful, gorgeous. It roomed them at the luxury side. I mean, you know, they could do like little updates if they wanted to, but like all in all it was good. If I had to a room 8 overall, I would say a 9 out of 10. For the whole experience, no?
No.
What do you think? Talk it. 6 out of 10 B? Really? What they could have worked for?
One thing can work.
Like what?
As the lady said, the nightlife can be much better.
Oh yeah, true. They don't really have like much
Enough
entertainment stuff.
entertainment.
Yeah.
And
Oh well.
It's a lot of food, you know.
the drink part can update as well. I'll be a little.
Oh, so they said, they could have more top
The
shelf
best part
liquor.
is that pool.
They pull.
My experience.
And they can eat as much as you want.
It's
That's
Jamaica,
just the
so
best.
I look for like 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 9. But for Jamaica, we can't go on because I was very surprised with the overall experience. So I can go on because in America, you go to certain place and you don't get a certain service like, you know, like a Jamaica have. So I'm very appreciative. What about your beers?
Good.
It was good.
There was no sound there, so Lamar not gonna enjoy.
And some parts on the beach you have to pay for drink. May I understand that? If everything is all inclusive, why you guys selling liquor? Cause nobody in their right mind I go buy liquor so if they can get it free somewhere else.
So this is what we can get it free. The top shelf, the Canada they have beer.
That's not true. Yeah.
I be a bougie look out.
We just see rum a while ago, and I went me and left here.
You see
I see
yourself?
rum.
Rum?
Yeah.
Oh, Ray and nephew?
Yeah.
Oh. Cause I said that was in the lobby where the guests had just come, so you know they try attract them, feel like they want to stay or whatever. All right, so end of it. Would you guys go back to Bahia luxury?
I would say yes, but next time I'm going to Rio. I don't want to go to.
B, would you go back to Bahia? Yeah.
I want to try something.
I would go back, but like I would like to try different all-inclusive resorts in Jamaica, so that you can really rate them. You know, try Sandals, try Rio, try Sandals. Are what?
All hotel leather.
All hotel, but that top sitting they expensive. 1,000 or 2,000 a line if you go there. Hey. Try Ocean Coral Spring, guys. We're gonna make our journey on our way back home.